Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something very simple. We're going to be swapping out the battery on your car remote for a BMW. One of these gorgeous little things. So stay tuned. Very simple. I am very happy to finally give my son his car back. It's a 2018 440i coupe, white with the red interior. It's lovely. And one of his batteries very low, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, thanks for visiting us in the channel. Subscribe, hit the like button, comment, let us know. The more you comment, the better for us. The more you like, the better for us. Trying to grow the channel. We got a lot of great things coming. Stick with us and we'll get there. All right guys, so if you have one of these beautiful remotes, very nice, very fancy. Battery that it takes is a 2450 lithium battery, and first thing you're going to do is going to flip it over. A little button right here. You're going to release the key. Okay, you could actually do it with this, but I'm not. I'm going to use a little screwdriver, little flathead screwdriver. There's one of these little holes right here, opposite of the keyhole. Okay, you're going to stick it in there, and you're just going to pop it, and you're going to pop the back. The back cover comes out. Same screwdriver. You could just pop the battery or just your nail, and that's pretty much it. So this one came with the Sony, CR2450, which is the same as that. CR2450. Grab your little pack. Most of these things are hard to open, so you're gonna have to. The way I design them nowadays, you got to cut real close to the battery. Just uncut your finger. I guess it's kind of kid-proof, so the kids don't eat it. And it's so funny. I do testing for new products, and we're testing something new, which is pretty interesting. Batteries that have a very sour taste to it. So if kids put them in their mouth, it literally. Testing one right now. And it literally almost feels like it's electrifying you, and it's really bitter. I think it's a great idea. Make sure the kids don't eat the batteries and things like that. So, and that's it. So it does have a little flat spot right here, so it kind of goes in here like that. Okay, push it in. The positive towards the outside, and pretty much pop. Has a little place here, a little slot on this side. Obviously, it's one-sided, and snaps right in. Snaps right in the middle. Put your key back, and voila, you're good to go. That's it. Simple as that. Obviously, test it. Make sure it works good with the car, and we'll go from there. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next little project. If you have any questions, let us know. I'm going to be doing the video of when we purchased the vehicle. It was a rebuilt title. We bought it, crashed. Son helped me. Super fun video. It's a little long, but it's kind of cool. And that's it. All right. So let us know how we did. Give us a like, subscribe. Helps out the channel. And move on to the next project.